Regulation of content has been on the public platform since 1997 at least, and perhaps even before that. We haven't made a great deal of headway. There have been very strong points of view expressed from various stakeholders, and ultimately, the bills that were drafted lapsed because they could not even be introduced in Parliament. I would not like to go into the history of it, but I would just like to say that over the last 1 year or so, we have been in very constant touch with the industry, with various stakeholders. We did put forth a model from the government for an autonomous and independent regulator in which the government would not have any say. However, the industry, perhaps genuinely, felt that the government always has backdoor methods of influencing regulators, which may or may not be true, but that was the view expressed. I am being very candid. And though we were a bit disappointed, we ultimately felt that yes, let's give self-regulation a chance. In the meantime, while these discussions were going on, in fact, a little earlier than that, the News Broadcasters Association had already put in place a model, quite an elaborate model, and we found over the past year or so that it has worked well. The minister also mentioned about the Advertising Standards Council of India model, which has also worked reasonably well. The largest number of complaints that we receive from consumers, from civil society organizations, from parliamentarians, and from people generally, is on the entertainment channels. Issues like the portrayal of women, children, caste issues, religious issues, horror, programs completely unsuitable for children, are the type of complaints that we are flooded with. And our real worry was about the general entertainment channels. The Indian Broadcasting Foundation, with which we were discussing, also felt that while regulation is necessary, the mechanism for this regulation is best served through self-regulation. I confess that I too had my doubts whether this would work. However, I'm very happy that the IBF has come forward with a proposal to the government which is very comprehensive and which in a way addresses the concerns that government has or civil society has. They have proposed a body called the National Broadcast Content Council, which would be a 12-member body, or rather a 13-member body actually, headed by a retired judge of either the Supreme Court or the High Court, having 4 members from the broadcasting fraternity, having 4 non-broadcaster members, and also having people from some of the national commissions, particularly those dealing with women and children, as the members of this council. And they have set fairly aggressive time frames for themselves to redress the grievances or to dispose of the grievances. They have evolved a code of conduct. Of course, this code of conduct has to be finalized by us in consultation with the government. And after seeing their proposal, we felt that it is really worth introducing this model, because ultimately the best regulation, if it works credibly, if it works effectively, is self-regulation. As the minister mentioned, she will probably, as a public person, have to take various stakeholders across society on board, and we hope that this model can be put in place at the earliest, so that one major vexatious issue concerning regulation can be resolved, and we could always review the effectiveness of this model after a year or two.